Namaskar friends, welcome to AIforAll. In this hands-on video, we will use ChatGPT to analyze budget speech. Today, the Honorable Union Finance Minister presented the Union Budget for the financial year 2025-26. Let us use ChatGPT to analyze the budget speech. In this demo, we will use budget speech link. This link is from the official Government of India website. Let us see. First, we will analyze the major investments announced by the government in the upcoming financial year. As this channel is related to AI, we are interested to know the announcements related to AI. You can recall from our earlier videos that why developing indigenous AI are important for our country. In the previous section, you may have noticed that the answer contains link from other external website. It means it is scraping other news website. It means ChatGPT is able to access new information in the real time. Now let us try with PDF. Here, I have downloaded the PDF from the official website. I will upload the PDF to ChatGPT. First, I will ask for major investment announcements and artificial intelligence. At the end, I will ask for change in income tax slab. After that, I will ask a query on the impact on an income. Let us see how it performs. In this section, we will see the major railway and agriculture-related announcements. As manufacturing is important, we also want to check major announcements to boost manufacturing sector. As with every budget, people are interested to know that what are the things getting cheaper and more expensive. Let us find out. Finally, let us find what are major structural change announced in this budget. For now, this is all we have done. There are many questions need to ask. You may also have questions to ask. Please take it as an assignment. What are the questions you will ask with this budget document? Please let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching AI for All. Please like, share and subscribe for more.